So you should also keep your notebook or whatever the pen with you. So probability. So this is a somewhat ratio. So probability is a certain ratio of the desired event, number of desired event divided by total event, divided by total events or the total space available in single event. In event. So suppose I toss a certain coin. So certain whenever I am going to toss a coin, definitely there are two possibilities. What are they? It could be head or so that is so your probability. So probability of any event it could be I can say it is a simply ratio of NE to the NS that would be sample space and N desired event. Okay, so we need to calculate number of possibilities first. Number of possibilities, all possibilities. It could be certain events would be given, certain things would be given, and we need to find out all possible things. So that would be we are going to put that particular number, and obviously whenever this probability question is going to ask, they will give a certain event or certain things that what is the possibility of that particular event or that particular thing. So suppose what is the possibility of going to come head when I toss a certain coin. When I toss a certain coin, what is the possibility? So whenever I toss a certain one coin, definitely there are two possibilities. There are two possibilities. So I can say it could be true and false. So that means two possibilities are there. And they ask which kind of probability, what is the probability for that particular event when that, what is the probability for the head. So desired thing would be head. So when I toss a certain coin, what would be the possibilities of the head coming? Obviously, it could be head or tail, but head is going to come only once. So that would be 1. So number of possibility for the desired event or the possible event, possible things in favor of that particular event, in favor of that particular event, that we have to count there 1 by 2. Suppose we take a certain dice. So dice there would be a certain 6 number would be there. 6 number would be there, 1 2 3, and there would be 4 5 6. So suppose I throw that particular dice, what is the possibility of that going to come a 6? What is the possibility of the, so whenever I am going to throw this particular dice, there are possibilities are, it could be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of events, number of possible things would be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So number of possible things would be 6. Number of total space for that particular event, all possible things. Okay, so this is a possible and this is a desired. So now they ask what is the probability for when I throw that particular dice, what is the probability to come 6 number. So that 6 number going to come only once. So that's why it will be 1 by 6. So number of possibilities to come that particular 6 number on the dice when I throw only once. When I throw that particular dice once, it will be only 1. So suppose they ask the probability for what is the number of probability for when I throw a certain dice, what is the probability so that the number should be even. Number should be even. So number of possibilities are 6. Okay, number of possibilities is 6. How many possibilities are there which are going to be even number? That could be 2, 4, 6. That means even number is going to come only 1, 2, 3 times. So that I can say 3. Number of possible desired events means the number should be even number. Even number. So actually events say 3 and number of total events say 6. 3 by 6. That would be I say 1 by 2. 1 by 2. The probability question would not be like that one. Just I am explaining what means the probability. Suppose there are 2 dice. Instead of this one dice, there are 2 dice. And I can, how many possibilities are there? Anybody can say if two dice are thrown. So how many number of possibilities are there? How many number of possibilities are there? Anybody can tell me? You can put in a chat box. How many possibilities are there? How many number of all possibilities are there if I throw two dice? What will be the probability? Anybody can? Jitendra, how many possibilities are there if I throw two dice? Anybody who is listening? 12. The US said 12. 36. Yes, it is a 36. So number of possibilities are from these dice. One dice would be 6. Second dice would be again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So at the time it could be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 6. From the 2 also 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. So number of possibilities 6 into 6. 6 into 6 it would be 36. एका डायसपासून 6 पॉसिबिलिटीज आहेत दुसऱ्यापासून 6 आहेत तर दोन एक ऍट अ टाइम टाकले एकापासून 6 दुसऱ्यापासून 6 ऍट अ टाइम टाकले तर डेफिनेटली इट कुड बी 36 so 36 number of possibilities would be there for that two dices so I can say total space for the event would be 36 and we have to find a number of desired event. It will be given in a question. It will be given in the question. Same question will be asked for the certain pack of cards. Definitely we need to know the number of information for the pack cards. What are the different information in the pack cards? So obviously there are 52 cards, 52 cards. Definitely 76 would be a red color and 76 would be black color. That you should know. So there are 30 cards, namely spades, cube, hearts, diamonds. So that like that information you should know. So 4 owners cards would be there as kings, queen, jacks. So these are the information you should know while. So most of the questions are asked on the pack of cards also. So that pack of card information you should know the basic information. I just have told you there would be 76 black card, 76 red cards. 4 owner cards would be there, and there would be so number of choices for that particular event of the pack cards that you should know. Okay, so again I would say then there are two events. Suppose probability of any event I can say PA, probability of second event PB. From this kind of formula we are going to represent. Suppose what will be the probability of two events? What will be the probability of two events if we done combined? So A union B. So most of the time, if I can say PA plus PEB, if both events are mutually exclusive, means both events have a different attribute, means it is not part of each other. If it is part of each other, then we need to multiply that particular probability. Then we can say combination of that probability. If they are mutually exclusive, we need to multiply. If it is not mutually exclusive, we need to add that particular two different events, probability of A and probability of B. So mutually exclusive events and mutually not exclusive event, that are the two things we need to consider. Okay, we'll take a few problems and that will cover the basic things. So there are basic problems we are going to take. So I will try to solve here directly, and I will read out the question so that you can get the information. So these are the simple questions. I will not give for your work. So in a throw of coin, find the probability of getting hit. Find the probability of getting hit. So this was a simple question. What is the probability of getting the head in a throw of coin? In a throw of coin, so number of sample space would be what? All possible things would be what? It would be either head or tail. Either it would be head or tail. So number of probability, it would be for that event. Event काय दिलेले आहे? Event दिलेले आहे getting hit. Getting hit. So I can say represent NS, that is getting hit would be only H. That would be only possible thing 1. It would be 2. So probability of the particular event, it would be NE divided by NS. That would be 1 divided by 2. So probability of that particular event would be 1 out. What is that? In a throw of coin, find the probability of getting hit. Okay, second question. 2 unbiased coins were tossed. Unbiased means definitely that should be head and tail. What is the probability of getting more than one head? What is the more than one head? आता event का हे काय आहे? Throwing 2 coins and desired event they have given head should be there. Head आला पाहिजे. Okay, so 2 coins if thrown, what will we think? It could be head head, head tail, then tail head and tail tail. So number of possibilities would be 4. Is it okay? Number of possibilities would be 4. Head head, head tail, then tail head, tail tail. So number of possibilities would be 4. If I throw 2 coins, then number of possibilities from that particular event would be 4. Number of possibilities, all possibilities, that would be 4. And the event given, what is the probability they ask? They ask the probability for what would be the probability of getting at most one head. एक तरी हेड आला पाहिजे. So एक तरी हेड किती मध्ये आहे? 1, 2, 3. Okay, there is 10. So 3. So number of possibilities would be what? 3 by 4. So that we can say the probability would be 3 by 4. 3 by 4. This is a simple thing. Okay, now next question. An unbiased die is tossed. Unbiased die is tossed. Find the probability of getting multiple of 3. Die is tossed. Now event is what? Die is tossed. So die is tossed. Definitely there would be 6 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and sorry, I make the and the particular event what they have given event given, find the probability of getting multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. So number of event would be number of multiple of 3 would be 3 and 6. So that possibility would be either 3 or 6. Number of that would be 1, 2, and number of all possibilities would be 6. So 2 by 6, that would be 1 by 3. So multiple of 3 have a probability 1 by 3 when I throw one die. Okay, next question. In a simultaneous throw pair of die, instead of this die is tossed, 2 die, pair of die is tossed. Now last lecture I have seen number of possibilities. If I throw 2 die, 1 die, there would be 6 possibilities. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second die, I throw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At the time both are thrown, number of possibilities would be 6 into 6. Number of possibilities would be 6. 6 from the first die, 6 from the another die. 6 possibilities. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 from the one die, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from the another die. So 6 into 6, 36 possibilities would be there if I throw 2 dice. Okay, so they have asked find the probability of getting total more than 7. Total should be more than 7. So we need to do such a calculation so that if I throw this 2 die, the sum will be more than 7. So obviously we need to do certain all possibilities. It could be 1, 1, no, 1, 2, no, So we need to do the this calculation manually. If it is not done manually, definitely we need to use permutation and combination. If it is the can be possible by using a permutation combination, definitely we can use a permutation combination. Like last lecture we have seen how to calculate a permutation combination. Most of the time we need to do use a combination part. So combination part is a vital for this part. Here obviously we need to do this by manual. So manually we need to do a certain part where we so we need to do 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. 1, 6 would be the first possibility. They have said find the probability of getting total more than 7. 1 by 6 that would be also not desired event because 1 plus 6 is 7. They ask total more than 7. It should be more than 7. So 1 plus 6 is a 7, exactly 7. This is more than 7. Then we take a probabilities from the 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Okay, 2, 6 is the one of the desired event. One of the desired event. E is a desired thing. E is a desired thing when this is a all possible things. All possible things. So I can write this formula here. Then E, then S, that will be probability of 3. So 2, 6. Then 3, 4. That is 7. 3, 4 is a 7. Okay. 3, 4. 3, 5. 3, 4 is a 7. It should be more than 7. Probability getting more than 7. So 3, 4 is also should not be there. 3, 5, 3, 6. Okay. Then 4, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then 5, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6. Then here 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. So these are the number of possibilities that if I throw two die at a time and the sum should be more than 7. So in each part the sum is more than 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 are the desired things. So 15 divided by all possible things are 36. 6 into 6, 2 dice are thrown. So from the one die 6 events can be possible, second die 6 things can be possible, 6 number can be possible. So 6 into 6, 36. 36 number of events can be possible if I throw 2 die. So 15 divided by 36. So event it should be more than sum should be more than 7 that have a probability 15 by 36. That I can reduce also 5 by 12. So number of possibility would be 5 by 12. Number of possibilities would be 5 by 12. Have you getting this? If you are getting this, type yes. At least I can see few people are going to understood this. If you are getting this, type yes, so that I can continue this particular part. Okay, Jitendra Chaudhary said yes, understood, sir. Rahul also saying yes. Okay, so we'll take some few commonly asked the problems. So these three things would be always there. What we have to do is always consider number of possible things, desired things, and the probability. So that would be ratio of ns divided by ne. Now next question. A bag contain 6 white ball. Bag is there, 6 white ball is there, 6 white ball. Okay, and 4 black ball. 4 black ball. two balls are drawn at a random. Two balls we need to draw. Two balls are drawn at a random. Okay. Find the probability that they should have a same color. They should have a same color. Two balls should be drawn, and this is the thing. Two balls should be drawn, and they have asked the probability for both balls should be same color. Both balls should be same color. कधी असू शकतात सेम कलर? कधी असू शकतील सेम कलर? कधी असू शकतील सेम कलर? डिसाइड कधी असू शकतील? आयदर both are white or हे लक्षात घ्या or both are black. ही काय झाली आपली NE झाली. नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल इव्हेंट म्हणजे डिझाइन इव्हेंट्स आहे. डिझाइन इव्हेंट काय म्हणताय? both should have a same color. Both should have a same color. Both should have a same color. That means it should be either white or either black. Or we have a choice that or it should be white, it could be possible, and we also we also can be desirable. Black should be also desirable. Either black or white. Either means I have written this particular word or, because whenever this or word is going to come, we need to do plus sign. And whenever there is an and word is going to come, we need to multiply these two events. Both are different events. Both we have to draw white or black. These both things are same. Both event is same, but process would be different. Process would be different. So we need to add this particular PA plus P white plus P black, and that we have connect with R. That means we need to add probability of white plus probability of black. Probability of white plus black, that will be the desired thing. Okay. And then first all possible things काय ते आहे की two balls should be drawn from where? From these events. So two balls are to be drawn from back. ते कुठले असू शकतात? नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल कुठले? दोन बॉल आपल्याला ड्रॉ करायचे. बॅक मधून कुठलेही दोन बॉल. हे काय झाले? ऑल पॉसिबल थिंग्स आहे. ऑल पॉसिबल थिंग्स. तो आपल्याला रेशो खाली घ्यायचा आहे. आणि डिझायर्ड इव्हेंट काय? both should be same color. That means it should be either black or white. Now we'll find out how to find out two balls should be drawn from the back. आता bag मध्ये किती balls आहेत? 6 plus 4 10 balls. Bag contain 10 balls, and from these 10 balls we need to draw two balls. That means from the 10 balls we need to choose two balls. Whenever this kind of choose word, that definitely we are going to use combination. Choose, arrangement or position, permutation. P means permutation. P means P permutation for position. So position word we can correlate with the particular permutation. P for permutation. If position is not going to matter, obviously we need to choose the two words. There is a position is not going to matter. We need to select. We need to choice. There is certain choice we need to do. So whenever whenever we need to select a certain things, definitely we need to do a combination. So from the 10 balls, two balls to be chosen. What is that? It is called as a combination. Have you got this difference between where to use a permutation and where to use a combination? Yes. Where to use permutation? Permutation means position. Combination means a certain selection. Permutation, position. Arrangement. Permutation means arrangement. Combination means selection. Combination means selection. Here we need to select. From the 10 balls, we need to select the two balls. 10 balls, we need to select the two balls. That will be a thing would be 10C2. 10C2. What will be the possible things? It would be 10. From the 10 balls, we need to choose two balls. That I can write 10 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 10 minus 2. That would be 8 factorial. So I can write 10 into 9 into 8 factorial divided by 2 into 1 into 8 factorial. 8 factorial both gone. 90 divided by 2. It could be I say 5 into 2, 45. So 45 times can be possible. 45 times. So this number is 45. This number is 45. And now either both should be white or both should be black. आता आपण एका गोष्टीचा विचार करू. Both are white. Both are white. So we need to choose a white ball. We need to choose a white ball. Again, choose means select. That means we need to select two balls and both should be white because there are two events. Both are white and both are black. First is white. So from the given white balls, so 6 whites are there. आपल्याला तर दोन white ball choose करायचे. आपण black मध्ये तर choose करू शकणार नाही. Definitely we need to choose from that particular only white ball. So from the 6 white ball, we need to choose 2. So that would be number of possibility of choosing white ball. 6 to 2. So that is 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. That we have seen. 6 into 5 into 4 factorial divided by 2 into 4 factorial. So one side 30, that would be 15. So 15 number would be possible from white ball. Now again from the black ball. For the black ball, if I need to choose two balls and both should be black, then definitely the number of possibilities would be 4C2. From the 4 given balls, we need to choose 2 balls, 4C2. So that would be a 4 factorial, 2 factorial into 4 minus 4 again 2 factorial. So that would be 4 into 3 into 2 factorial. This 2 factorial is removed, 2 into 1. So that would be 2 into 3, 6. So now we need to draw probability. All possible things that could be, I say 45. Yes, 45. पहिला इवेंट चे काय म्हणलेलं आहे either black or white. So black ची किती आहे possible 50 and white ची किती possibility आहे 6. So whenever there is a or word come, we need to add. That would be 71 by 45. That will be, again I need to reduce that particular probability. So always remember probability is a ratio. It is a ratio of the desired divided by total number of outcomes. Desired divided by total number of outcomes. So desired किती आहे 21 आणि 45. तो किती होईल आपल्याला 7 by 15. So ratio would be 7 by 15. Ratio would be 7 by 15. Have you got this? This is a most common question would be like this. Certain balls should be there and we need to choose a certain balls and they have say either should be black, either should be red or both should be red. This kind of question going to be asked in a question. That would be 7 by 15. If possible, you should write this problem. Write this on your notebook so that I can take a review for a few seconds or I will take a break for 2 minutes and again we will continue. Answer is 7 by 15. Anybody has any question? Because if you have written this particular problem, I will take a next problem. You need to do practice. The practice would be most important part. Any question? One minute. Just one. Okay, so we'll take as next problem, but it not audible. Okay, I just have purposefully make the video off. Sorry, audio off. Next problem. Two cars are drawn from the pack of 52 cars. Two cars Two cars are drawn from the 52 cars. Obviously, a car should contain 52. So, two cars to be chosen. We need to choose from the 52 cars. Okay. So, what is the probability that either both are black or both are twin? Either event काय दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला? Either it should be both are black, or both are twins. Both are twins. Both are twins or event ka 52 cars are there and we need to choose the two cars. And our desired event is that it should be black or both should be twin. So I can say A part would be both are black. B things we need to consider both are twin. Definitely there is a or word is there. Definitely we need to add. But the one thing that the black cards and twin cards is a mutually exclusive events. Means आता मी एक वर्ड वापरला mutually exclusive things. म्हणजे यामध्ये both black cards आणि both twin cards म्हणजे हे both things वेगवेगळे असतील तर ठीक आहे. म्हणजे आपण फॉर्म्युला यूज करू शकतो P combine B because we have to do as a combined activity. P combine B that would be P plus TB. That would be okay if black cards are different things and queen cards are different things. But if you see, there would be number of queen cards किती असणार आहेत? 4 असणार आहेत. पण काही क्वीन कार्ड ब्लॅक पण असू शकतात. डेफिनेटली काही क्वीन कार्ड्स आहेत ते दोन रेड असू शकतात आणि दोन ब्लॅक असू शकतात. सो ह्या क्वीन कार्ड मध्ये काही इव्हेंट्स आहेत ते एक्सक्लुझिव्हली ब्लॅक कार्ड्स मध्ये पण आहेत. काही कार्ड्स हे क्वीन ब्लॅक कार्ड्स जे आहेत त्यामध्ये क्वीन कार्ड्स आहेत आणि काही क्वीन कार्ड मध्ये काही ब्लॅक कार्ड्स आहेत. त्यामुळे A प्लस बी करताना आपल्याला हे जे P ह्यांच्यामधले कॉमन कार्ड आपल्याला मायनस करायला, कॉमन कार्ड आपल्याला सबट्रॅक्ट करतो. मग हा फॉर्म्युला यूज करायचा कुठला? P combined P is always equal to P plus A plus B, but we need to add this part because both ही जी इव्हेंट्स आहेत ब्लॅक आणि क्वीन, काही ब्लॅक आणि क्वीन असणार आहेत, काही क्वीन कार्ड्स मध्ये पण ब्लॅक असू शकतात. एक्सक्लुझिव्ह जर इव्हेंट असतील तर डेफिनेटली वी नीड टू सबट्रॅक्ट दिस काइंड ऑफ पार्ट. सबट्रॅक्ट म्हणजे दोन मध्ये काही कॉमन कार्ड्स असतील दोन इव्हेंट मध्ये, एका इव्हेंट मध्ये दोन इव्हेंट आहेत, त्या इव्हेंट मध्ये दोन थिंग्स आहेत, तर दोन थिंग्स मध्ये एकमेकाला कंबाईन मध्ये असेल तर डेफिनेटली वी नीड टू सबट्रॅक्ट that particular combined part. So combined probability we need to subtract also. Is it okay? Is it have you got this? Have you got this? Because this is a different formula. P combined P is equal to PA plus PP minus P. Most of the time we are going to use P. Means before this problem you see only PA plus PP. So simply we have done the addition. For which problem? Last problem. लास्ट प्रॉब्लेम काय होता? आपल्याला काय विचारलं होतं आपण लास्ट प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये? त्यांनी काय दिलं होतं? टू बॉल्स आर ड्रॉन, इट शुड बी आयदर ब्लॅक और आयदर बोथ शुड हैव द सेम कलर. बोथ शुड हैव द सेम कलर. बोथ शुड हैव द सेम कलर मीन्स आयदर आई कैन चूज अ ब्लॅक और आयदर आई कैन चूज अ व्हाईट बॉल. म्हणजे ब्लॅक व्हाईट असू शकत नाही किंवा व्हाईट हे ब्लॅक असू शकत नाही. पण इथे काय होणार आहे? काही ब्लॅक हे क्वीन असू शकतात, काही क्वीन हे ब्लॅक असू शकतात कार्ड्स. सो डेफिनेटली देन वी हैव टू कन्सिडर दिस पार्ट. Okay, so you should understood these two formula, where to use these two formulas. This is a where two events have a certain cards or certain things are similar in both part. This event, in this particular event, both have a certain mutual things are there. That's why we need to subtract that particular part. So we need to use this formula. Okay, so formula is over. Compared to the last problem, the formula will be different. Now look at the particular problem. So they have said from the 52 cards we have to choose 2 cards. So number of possible things 52 cards will be there and we need to choose 2 cards. That will be 52C2. That will be NS. Number of total possible things. Number of all possible things. 52C2. So that I can say calculate that particular 52C2. 2 factorial divided by 2 factorial divided by 50 factorial. So that would be 52 into 51 into 50 factorial divided by 2 into 1. So into 50 factorial. So 50 factorial is gone. So it would be 26 divided by 51. It is a 26 divided by 51. I have a calculator now. It is that we write that particular calculation. So we can calculator असेल तर तुम्ही calculate करा this 26 into 51. Okay, so that would be what? Anybody can have calculated 26 into 51. बरोबर आहे ना? 1 into कम बरोबर आहे. So 20 into कम. काढलं की नाही, कॅल्क्युलेट केलं की नाही somebody? One three two six. 1326. So what is that? This number is number of all possibility. दोन कार्ड जर आपण ड्रॉ केले, if I draw two cards from the given set of 52 cards, the number of possibilities would be 1 3 2 6. Okay. Now both are black. आता आपल्याला हे कॅल्क्युलेट करायला आहे. TA, TB आणि T combined B. So actually probability काढायची नाही, number of possibility things काढायची. याची आणि याची. हे इव्हेंट काय केले आपण ब्लॅक. किती ब्लॅक कार्ड्स असतात? How many black cards would be there? Both are black cards. ह्या कार्डचा विचार करू. Both are black cards. किती ब्लॅक कार्ड्स आहेत? 52 कार्ड्स आहेत. 52 ब्लॅक आहेत? नाही. Only 26 black cards are there. Out of 26 black cards, we have to choose two cards. Out of 26, all possible black cards are there, and we have to choose two. That would be 26C2. Is it okay? सगळे black card नाही आहे. 26 black card, 26 red card आहे. 26 black card मधले आपल्याला दोन जर चॉईस केले तर ते हे होणार. Both are black. Okay. So that will be added. आपण याचा रेशो घेत नाही कारण आपल्याला इथे ऑब्वियसली हा रेशो आपण हा डिवाइड केलेला आहे. हा जो 50C2 आहे 52C2 हा जो आपण रेशो कंबाईन मध्ये घेतलेला आहे तो बाय डिफॉल्ट जरी घेतला किंवा रिमूव्ह केला तर काय आहे 26C2 हा ब्लॅकचा. क्वीन कार्ड्स किती आहेत? हाऊ मेनी क्वीन्स कार्ड वुड बी देयर? आन्सर काढलेला आहे 1362 नाही एवढे 50 डिवाइड 55 च्या आसपास येते. ओके लेट्स सी व्हाट विल बी द आन्सर फॉर ब्लॅक कार्ड फॉर द क्वीन कार्ड. नंबर ऑफ क्वीन कार्ड्स वुड बी व्हाट? नंबर ऑफ क्वीन कार्ड्स वुड बी 4. Number of queen cards would be 4. From the 4 cards we need to choose a 2 cards. From the 2 cards 4 cards 4 queen cards we need to choose a 2 card. From the 4 queen cards we need to choose a 2 cards. Then the event would be both are queen cards. Okay, 4C2. Now we have to consider this part. A combine A and B मध्ये mutually similar असणार आहे. A and B हे A and B आहे. इथे उलट मी हे काढलेलं आहे साइन. त्याच्यामध्ये म्युच्युअली कुठले आहेत? किती ब्लॅक कार्ड क्वीन आहे? किती ब्लॅक कार्ड क्वीन आहे? कंबाईन मध्ये असणार आहे. किती ब्लॅक कार्ड क्वीन आहे किंवा क्वीन किती ब्लॅक आहेत? ऑब्वियसली 4 क्वीन असतील तर 2 ब्लॅक असतील 2 रेड असतील. सो 2 कार्ड्स वुड बी ब्लॅक कार्ड which are queen. So the event would be -2C2. दोन ज्या ब्लॅक कार्ड्स आहेत जे क्वीन्स पण आहेत त्यातले दोन चूज केले. हे वजा करायला पाहिजे का? कारण का यामध्ये कंबाईन आहे 4C2. So that would be 26C2 plus 4C2 plus minus 2C2. That will be the answer. It isn't काढतो बघा. याचा आन्सर मला आवडतो. Probability of event. याचे किती आले? 13 सोल्यूट्स. यांची बेरीज करा. याची. तुम्हाला मी ते माझं लेक्चर ऐकायला बोलवलेलं नाही. Probability or aptitude question you need to do the calculation also. So calculate that. Rohit 1 3 you forget to reduce that particular number. Rohit answer should be 330 divided by 1326 and you need to reduce also. Rohit you forget to reduce that particular 2 minus 2C2. Calculate. तरी कोणतं कॅल्क्युलेट करा ना, काहीतरी रेशो काढा. जितेंद्र, नामदेव, सत्यजित, सुनील, रोहित, अजय, Kunal, Rohan is also there. रिड्यूस करना. जितेंद्र, 330 डिवाइड बाय 1326 नंबर रिड्यूस करायला हवा. तर मला अटेंडन्स का डाउनलोड होत नाहीये. मला वाटतं जितेंद्र, रोहित फक्त दोघेच कॅल्क्युलेट करायला आहेत, बाकीचे काहीच करणं झालं. ते पण नंबर रिड्यूस करा म्हटलं तर इतका वेळ तुमचा. तर काय नसेल तर सांगा मला, मी परत रिपीट करेन. Yes, Rohit, it is correct one. 55 divided by 221. I think I need to conclude this session. Next lecture I will definitely take because there is a very little response from you. I will take a lecture 5, 6, 7, 8, maximum 8, 10 lectures I will going to take for this aptitude. Today I am going to close, but your participation would be more important. If you are interested, definitely ask me at any time. You can directly call me. This problem is there. I need to solve, or you can take a lecture. Definitely, concept I will make clear first, and then we'll take a problem. So most of the time, fundamental thing is clearing the concept. Then we'll take a. We can solve up to this knowledge. Up to this knowledge, definitely you can solve any problem on probability. Few logic thing would be needed, but most of the probability question, I think from this lecture you can solve. Maximum information I have given. If your response is more, definitely I will take a more lectures on time distance, time problem. There are few things I think you should understood as a concept. If you understood the concept, definitely it will be easier to solve the any type of problem. Most of the important thing why I've taken probability and permutation combination at the first, because these chapters are very difficult. Most people don't solve this problem. Definitely these chapters are very easy. You don't revise this particular thing, or you don't start the particular reading the particular things. So once you start the reading, or just push up from me also can it could be a thing that you can solve this kind of permutation combination things. And I'm checking the book question from the all things from the this particular book, that's HN publication RS Agarwal. So RS Agarwal book is the most important book for this kind of permutation combination or the any aptitude part. So any aptitude is there, definitely we are going to cover from the RS Agarwal. Okay, thank you. I'm closing this session.